Hello. Today we are going to have a quick overview of some of the functions of Google Classroom. I am signing in today as a student account so that you can see all the things that will show up on your screen. So we will go to Google, put in our network user ID with the attachment of g.horrycountyschools.net. After that, you'll press next and you'll put in your network password. We'll sign in. And you will see choices of all the Google Classrooms that you are enrolled in. Cheyenne is enrolled in one Google Classroom, and that's the one we're going into today. As you can see the finger come up over the words, that means it's a link and you can click that. When we come into our Google Classroom called Thriving in the Hive 2016 to 2017, you can see over here that it's Cheyenne's name. So that means she's definitely signed in as herself. Sometimes the computers do have other people signed in, so you have to make sure that you have signed in under your own name in order to do the work for your grades. So the first thing about Google Classroom is that you will have assignments. And as I scroll down, you'll see that each assignment has a number 3, number 2, and number 1. Each assignment will be labeled with a number. That way it's easier to find when your teacher says assignment number 1, 2, 3 all throughout the year. You can also tell an assignment by the icon. There's a clipboard icon, and that means it's an assignment. They will have numbers. They will have the clipboard icon. That means that's something that you must complete. Okay, so number 3 will be what we're working in today. I'll click on the assignment, and this one is asking us to add to a Padlet, and there's a link that links us to the Padlet. Where we have made character traits about Damon, Pythias, and the king from the story that we've read. Okay, so Cheyenne will add her Padlet. She'll finish up what she needs to do here, and then in order to go back and let the teacher know that she has completed the activity, she's going to go back up to the green man. That means Google Classroom over here. She'll click back there, and she must click Mark as Done, because up here where it says Not Done, the teacher gets a notification that she hasn't finished it yet. So she's going to click on Mark as Done. And now there's a check mark that says that Cheyenne has completed it. Okay, going back to the stream by using the back arrow, let's go down and see, let's revisit this assignment. Actually, let's go down to assignment number 1 because it looks a little different. In assignment number 1, you are actually creating something. When your teacher asks you to create either a slide or a doc, you'll click on create and you'll choose which thing you want to make. For this assignment, you have to create a slide. So I've pressed create, I've clicked slide, and now this is going to be the assignment that she completes. When she's done, she'll turn it in so that she'll get the green check mark up here, and the teacher will know that she's completed it. That one looked a little bit different because the Padlet one had a link. This one you actually have to create something yourself. Okay, going back. Something else that you'll see in Google Classroom is a question. The icon is a question mark. Number 2 on our Google Classroom is a question, where you will click on the question, what are character traits? And Cheyenne has answered, they describe you on the inside. Okay, and that's a good answer. The next thing she'll have to do is she will have to reply to someone else's answer. So see, it says right here, see classmate answers. She can click on that, see all the answers from the students in class, and she can reply by clicking the word reply to someone else's answer. When you click reply, you can agree, disagree, whatever you want to say, give them a compliment, something like that. And when she posts her reply, it will now be underneath that answer so that Kenley can read and see that someone has replied to him. That's a great way to make school discussions. Okay, so we're back on our screen. And the last thing that's important to know is that you can access your Google Drive through Google Classroom. When you click on About and you click on your Google Drive folder, this is a place where every assignment that you've created is held. Any slides that you've created, documents that you've created, or things that people have shared with you are located in this folder. It just makes it a better organized place to find anything that you've created or shared with somebody. Okay, that is the basic things you need to know in order to get started with Google Classroom. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see your assignments come rolling in.